So we're going to start with this sign that I've had for a long time, and I just went ahead and sanded off all the vinyl that was on the front of it, and now I'm going to paint it with a couple coats of white chalk paint, and I am using the Waverly brand. So today's video is part of the Make It New challenge, and the host for this challenge is Be Thrifty 2, and her co-host is My Blessed Nest. So I will link their channels in the description box below. I think that you will have fun checking out their channels. My Blessed Nest does a lot of thrifting, and she finds the neatest vintage things. And Be Thrifty 2 does a lot of trash to treasure and does some really awesome things with just unusual items. So make sure you check out their channels. So after we give our sign the coats of chalk paint, I'm just kind of measuring out where I'm going to put my letters. I am using the Dollar Tree sticker letters, but I am using the white parts of it as a stencil, so I can put it on the board and then I'm going to paint into the lines of the sticker.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
So we're spelling out Holly Candy Company, and this was inspired by a sign that I saw in a magazine called Farmhouse. I think it's like a country living or something, but I saw it at Joann's and I just really love the sign, and so I wanted to recreate what their sign looked like. So we're ready to fill in the stencils, and I start using my stencil brush, but it was really hard to get into the lines without going over onto the other sign. So I actually switch over to another paintbrush, and then I just start painting in the lines. I do have to do some touch up. I have seen people using these as stencils on other videos, and so I thought I would try it out. I didn't really like it. My stickers ended up sticking to my sign, and I had a really hard time getting the sticker residue off of it. So I don't know, I probably won't ever use these again as a stencil. But once I get it all on there and I touch up a little of the spaces that needed touching up, I'm just going to add this pick that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue it right onto the corner of the sign. After I glue it onto the corner, I realized that I needed to do some distressing. The original sign has more of like a metal-y type look, a more distressed look with some black in it, and so I get ready to go over the sign with my black chalk paint just to give it some distressing. I go a little crazy with the black paint as I go around and I'm dry brushing it, and then I realize that I've taken it a bit too far, and then I have to go back in with some white paint and touch up the black parts. But eventually it does come out looking super cute. I just have to kind of play around with it. I felt like after I put the paint at the top that the rest of it looked too white, so then that's why I decided to go in there. But But then I decided to go into like in between the letters and stuff like that because it looked really white in there. And I decided I did not like the way that that looked. So hindsight, I should have gone over the white part with the black chalk paint before I painted the red part onto my sign. But you know, sometimes crafting is an adventure and you live and learn.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
So here's the final look, and I think it turned out adorable. I'm really going for some red and white looks this Christmas season, and so this is going to fit in perfect along with some gingerbread DIYs that I have planned, and this is actually just a perfect fit into those gingerbread DIYs. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to go down to the description box and click on the playlist so you don't miss any of the videos from the Make It New playlist today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for joining me, and remember, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!